And this turkey blocked the traffic to allow his herd to cross the road. He waited until the end and went last. And this is just an ordinary dog who cares that it buys produce, pays for groceries, takes the change, and goes home to cook dinner. This is still the same dog. I don't think it likes the greens. Probably tries to please the owner. And this pig knows how to lead the ball through obstacles and score goals. It may not have hands or fingers, but it does have a brain. Check out how cleverly this squirrel escaped the hawk. This little monkey just handed her an ignition key. When you're so smart, you can take a taxi instead of flying. And this dog managed to escape a trap thanks to its wit. And this chipmunk found a great place to hide. There are two types of dogs in the world. Which one of them is smarter? Tell us in the comments.